CarlinKit CarPlay iBox Android 12 Plus QCM6125 8-core wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay Netflix TV box for OEM wired CarPlay. Android 12.0 system. Support wireless CarPlay, wireless Android Auto. You can choose between two systems. Click the AutoKit icon to access wireless CarPlay or wireless Android Auto. Compatible with iPhone and Android phones. Do not need worry your phone could not use it. Built-in Qualcomm processor, low power consumption, high performance, supports SIM TF card, built-in 4G full netcom module for network, and can also use phone hotspot Wi-Fi for networking. High specification configuration, large storage space capacity equipped with 4GB RAM plus 64GB ROM memory. Reduce slow loading and delays caused by insufficient memory. Accepts 128GB extended memory TF card. Built-in GPS plus BDU plus GLONASS plus base station positioning. Built-in Wi-Fi antenna. Built-in Bluetooth antenna. Built-in GPS. Even if your car has no navigation function, you can still use the Map app with it. Support app download from Google Play Store. You can download the app you like. Support video playback. Built-in YouTube Netflix video apps. Support split screen. You can watch the video while navigating. Make your driving journey more fun. No fear of extreme weather. It can work on -25 plus 75. The MIFI mobile Wi-Fi function can be used as a mobile Wi-Fi router to provide Wi-Fi hotspots for other network devices.